Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: violet, pink, orange, blue, purple, light green, sky blue, green, red, brown, yellow and black color. Violet color. Kids, this is letter A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. Yellow color. E for eagle. This is letter F. F for fox. Now we are tracing letter G. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. We are tracing letter J. J for jeep. K for kite. L for lamp. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for coin. R for rainbow. S for spider. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.